So, it is 5:38, and I got my new phone today. Unexpectedly got it today. And it's right here. I'm not gonna see what it is yet, huh? So, my over's right here, okay? This is the 6S, and I got the 11 in yellow. It's supposed to come in next week, and also got a case from Amazon. So, they opened it at the Verizon store, but I got the yellow one in 64 gigabytes. Okay? So, put this aside, and then here just the Apple stickers, SIM card, projector, the charger brick. The Pro Max comes with the newer charger brick and newer charger. I forgot what it's called. Got a charger. I needed that. And then I got the normal AirPods, whatever. Now let's get to the thing I've been waiting for. I bought this with my own money, by the way. So let's get to the case real quick. It's a clear case from Amazon. It was $5.99. So clear case. Going to pop it on my phone. But let's get this ready.
That was not satisfying.
Look at that! So, here's this. I haven't set up Face ID yet. I never had it. So let's set it up and see how it is. Okay. So let's go. Let's set Wi-Fi up first. It's lowercase. So, got that. Time for Face ID. Get started. Okay. Face ID is now set up. Okay. Transfer.
Look at me.
Okay. So that was my unboxing. And I hope you liked it. I'm not a professional at tech stuff. I just really love Apple. So I'm going to reset this and then sell it. And probably give it my case. Bye!